Easy, quick and simple Batman face paint design. You'll need Derivan Face and Body black and white and a Derivan brush set. Paint the outline of Batman's mask. Here's a still to give you a bit of an idea of the shape. Hot tip, just keep it simple. Once you're happy with that, you can fill in that line work. To make this design a bit more interesting, add a few lines to create movement around the mask. Load your brush with white and put some white line work onto the design. This will give the design a bit more depth and interest. You only need to do a small amount, but it really makes a difference. I'm not saying I'm Batman. I'm just saying no one has ever seen me and Batman in a room together.